So I've had many side hustles over the years. Um, when I was a young man, long time ago, I started first of all, I started a music business. I think that was the one. We played music at weddings and parties. I was a DJ, and I really kind of started that for the wrong reasons. I wanted a nice stereo. So I got a bank loan to buy this fantastic stereo, and then I was paying it off with my side hustle. The side hustle was actually quite lucrative. We could charge a lot of money at some of the weddings and parties, but it was a tough job. The music that you played was actually quite different from. So the music you played was for the people who hired you, but you're playing to all kinds of different people, so some people get quite upset about the music. Next, I started a painting company with a friend. We had worked for college pro painters, and we decided to go off on our own. And that was somewhat lucrative, but it was a tough job, and it was a dirty job. It wasn't really something that suited me. But I think the good part about these first side hustles was it taught me sort of some of the problems that occur, and I think you have to fail a few times to be successful. That's the cliche, right? My next business, I think that was my next one, was to start an English school, which became an English school chain, train too, and that was very successful. That went from 0 students to 125 students in 10 months, and I was 28, and I had $200,000 in the bank. Actually, 28, 27, 28. I was 28. That grew to 4 branches, over 200 students. We taught students at Fujifilm, Kaze Optronics, Mitsubishi Chemical, Morohoshi Songyo, lots of different companies in Japan. We taught all ages, children to adults. It was a very successful business. And I think the thing was I had this idea and I was willing to try it. I didn't listen to other people who told me it was silly or not possible. People are always going to tell you that, so don't listen. Try to find out how you can make it work, and then you're going to deal with problems, but deal with them afterwards.